Today we are standing on the terrace of the ENT hospital, which is a historic structure in itself. Initially the Improvement Board Trust office, which was eventually converted into a ENT hospital in the 1960s. Situated in the heritage precinct of fort, so it has all the typical prototype features of Bombay Gothic architecture, which comprises of those Gothic windows, then Ashlar masonry, the mallard stone cladding, the pointed spires and towers. So you see the tower in the background here. That tower was missing. When we took up the project way back in 2008, the first phase, which was to consolidate and arrest the main distresses which are occurring to this structure, because for many years it was lacking of comprehensive restoration. The Mumbai Corporation took it up to do a comprehensive restoration conservation scheme, and the Heritage Cell of Mumbai Corporation appointed us to chart out the whole conservation project. So the phase 1, which concentrated mainly on the roof repairs, started in 2009. So in 2011 it was completed. Afterwards the corporation then decided that we need to address the structure very comprehensively, because it was a unique example of adaptive reuse of a heritage structure, because this being not designed for a hospital, it was being used for a hospital. So the challenge started at that instance, that you need to maintain the heritage character, respect the heritage character, arrest the distresses which are occurring, and at the same time make it happen that hospital activity also gets updated, it goes on. And the hallmark of the whole restoration project is the tower which you see in my background. There are no proper records, but it got demolished because of some distress, and when we took it up, it was missing for so many years. So you just see the remnants of the base of the tower, and in the archival photos you could see the tower standing very proudly. I would say this is the hallmark of the whole restoration of this ENT hospital restoration project, initiated by the Heritage Cell of Mumbai Corporation, and we took it up as a challenge. We went step by step, so we had to do it twofold: charting out the whole restoration scheme, which involved the cleaning of the stone masonry structure, refitting whatever missing elements were there. In the interiors also, as you must have seen that we have tried to maintain the heritage character, heritage core, and with minimalistic interventions, or whatever spaces have been created, those have been created that they can be dismantled. At the same time, major areas or major infrastructures like the OT, the OPD, they were also incorporated in that. So coming back to the tower, it needed a lot of documentation, and as you may see, it is like a rebirth of a tower, or it was missing from the Mumbai skyline in the fort precinct. Now you can see it has come back again with glory. We used, of course, the technologies we used GRC to erect the whole structure with its nuances, and the core was fabricated steel work. But what you can see is that the whole character has been given back with all its nuances or all its characters. It's a pride feeling that we were able to restore this for the city and give back to the city on behalf of the Mumbai Corporation.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.